Careers Zone YouTube channel. So here we will be giving you an regular updates regarding job openings pan India and as well as pan world. So please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video. Hi, hello friends. Welcome to Careers Zone YouTube channel. So, job number one, job role will be multiple non-IT positions. The company name will be the Golden Rise. Work from home option. This location will be requirement will be graduate. Salary 15,000 to 45,000 per month. You can directly contact to HR Tina. So we have given the contact number here. So you can directly contact to her. Job number 2, job role net back level 2 and level 3 positions. Company name Coded's Brain. Job location will be Bangalore. Requirement is 7+ years experience they are expecting, and salary will be 6 lakh to 10 lakh per annum. You can directly contact to this Mohini HR email ID. Okay, we have provided the email ID. Job number 3, internship only for college students. So this is for college students. The company name will be Instant Webs company. So job location Bangalore. Requirement graduate Java website developer Python, and salary will be 0 to 2.5 lakh per annum. You can directly contact to this WhatsApp number. So this is the HR number. Job number 4. So job role telecaller role. Company name will be 2Coms Consulting Private Limited. Job location will be Bangalore, and requirements graduate. Salary will be 2.64 lakh per annum, and this is the contact number. So you can directly dial the extension number and you can press 250 to connect HR. Job number 5. Job role lead generation executive. Finalizers leads. Company name. Job location will be Bangalore, Indiranagar. Requirements fresher immediate joiners they are looking, and salary will be 5 lakh to 15 lakhs per annum. You can directly contact to Ganesh. So we have provided the contact number. Job number 6. Job role will be HR officer. So company name will be Dairy Classics Creamy. Job location Bangalore. Requirement bachelor's degree. Salary 2 lakh per annum to 9 lakh per annum. To apply you can connect Amruta HR. So directly connect to the number. Thank you friends. Job number 7. So job role will be database manager. Company name will be Four Sides HR Consulting Private Limited. Job location HSR Layout Bangalore. Requirement minimum 6 years of experience they are expecting, and salary will be 11 lakhs, and you can directly connect to this email ID and contact number. Job number 8. Job role Java full stack developer. Company name will be Golden Pick Technologies LLC. Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune and Gurgaon locations. Experience minimum 6 to 12 years experience in .java, microservices, other softwares. 3 to 18 lakh salary, and you can directly contact to this email ID. Job number 9. Business manager tech product hiring. So especially they are looking into tech product hiring business manager. Company name OrgPod. Locations will be Bangalore, Hyderabad and Chennai. Any graduate is eligible for this job. 5 to 9 lakh per annum package, and you can directly drop to your email. For this email ID your resume. Job number 11. Job role solution architect, and company name B2 Tech Services. So work mode hybrid, remote based locations Hyderabad. Requirement experience 8 to 12 years experience. Salary will be 14 to 38 LPA. You can directly connect to this email ID and contact number. Job number 12, sales advisor, international voice process. This will be, company will be Teletext India. Job location Hyderabad, Kondapur. Requirement graduation not required for them. So normal also they're okay. Salary 2.5 to 6 lakh per annum, and you can directly contact to Tejaswini. Job number 13, Mulsoft developer. So company will be, company name Protivin India, members firm. Job locations Bangalore, Chennai, Pune, and they are expecting minimum 5 years of experience, and salary will be 11 lakh to 35 lakhs per annum. So you can directly drop your resume to Sujit. Job number 14, job role will be project head. Company Talent Acquisitions Associates. Dodballapur, location is Bangalore. In Bangalore, Dodballapur. So minimum education qualification graduate. Salary will be 17 lakh per annum. You can directly contact to Aditya, Anjali Aditya. Okay. Job 15, front office executive. So careers consultant, it's a consultant job. Job location will be Karimnagar, Warangal, Hyderabad. Requirement any graduate. Salary is 1.25 to 1.75 lakhs per annum. So you can directly contact to Navin. Now we are going to job 16. Job 16, assistant management manager. Company name BDO Rice Private Limited. Locations Bangalore, Gurgaon, Hyderabad, Chennai. CA, CPA, ACCA, 9 lakhs to 25 lakhs per annum salary. So you can directly drop your resume to the provided email ID. Job number 17, role will be sales and service engineer. Lucid Spire. Company name, location will be Bangalore, and requirement minimum 3 to 7 years experience they are looking, and salary will be 4 lakhs to 11 lakhs per annum. You can directly contact to Reshma, the HR. We have provided the email ID. And we are telling job number 18, job role international voice process. Company will be S10 Healthcare Solutions. Job location Chennai, and requirement freshers and experience both are welcome. US shift will be available. So salary will be 50,000 to 3 lakhs per annum. So again I am repeating, 50,000 to 3 lakhs per annum, not per month. Okay, you can directly contact to this HR, and contact number we have provided. Job number 19, security testing. So global MNC clients they are looking into, and job location Bangalore. Requirements will be security testing with embedded testing. Salary 10 lakhs to 14 lakhs per annum. So you can directly drop your resume to Lavanya. So coming to job number 20. Job number 20, job role IT recruiter. Company name Six Sigma Soft Solutions. Location will be Bangalore. This job eligibility is only for females. Males don't apply. Okay, they'll not considering males. They only need females, and graduate 1.75 to 2.5 lakhs per annum. Okay, you can directly contact to Savita. Job number 21. So they are looking into job role business development executive. Company name S10 Healthcare Solutions. Job location Chennai. Freshers and experience both are welcome. US shift will be available. Salary 5 to 12 lakhs per annum. So you can directly contact to this HR. Okay.